A very good morning, children. Welcome to audio session of subject English of 7th class. Today you are going to listen an audio session and answer the questions that follows. This session will improve your listening skills. You are supposed to listen the session only once and try to answer the questions that follows. Hope you will do success in this session. Here starts the session. The inventor of inventors. Thomas Alva Edison, the greatest inventor of all times, is the most suitable example of his own saying. This great, outstanding US inventor had the credit of making 1001 inventions. Can you imagine a world without electric light, recorded music, cinema, etc.? Which are the contributions of this great genius? Edison was born on February 11, 1847 at Milan, Ohio. His father was in charge of a lighthouse at Lake Huron. Although he could not continue his studies in his school, he was very interested from his boyhood to learn by understanding. When he was only 10 years old, he set up a laboratory in the basement of his father's workplace. He loved to mix liquids and powders to observe the reactions. At the age of 12, he began selling newspapers and candy in trains. As a very keen observer, he learnt some fundamental techniques of telegraphy from the station master, which led him later to work as a roaming telegrapher. During his job as a supervisor in a telegraph company, he created a stock printer. With the money received from it, he set up a laboratory for carrying out his experiments and research work. In subsequent years, he invented phonograph, the machine for recording and reproducing sound. Edison thus made man's voice immortal. In 1878, he demonstrated the light bulb, a carbon filament electric bulb. While experimenting on electric lamp, he discovered an important scientific principle known as Edison effect. This discovery led to the invention of electron valves, and the modern electronics industry rests on this principle. In 1882, he set up a power generating station which supplied power to a few residents of New York City. Later, he developed the kinetograph, which was the first step towards motion picture camera. Cinema houses are here today because of the inventive genius of Edison. His other inventions include the spheres of X-rays, telephone, and other electronic items. His inventions made him one of the rich men in America. This great genius passed away on 18th October 1931. Thomas Alva Edison, he said a principle called genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Thank you.